over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers.
Welcome to Amapenzo TV, FIFA World Cup, Bafana 0, Canada 1. I'm joined by Rob.
Aye Brahmin.
Minjani?
Fukini Mjani.
Ifukile.
Tibos Brahmin, welcome back home.
Gracias.
Your first prediction was coming back home before the boys.
Yes.
That was your first prediction.
Yes.
And then Brahmin, a shout out to our fans way too.
Yes, my brother.
Bolora and Arifelo ku relay huma.
Yeah.
But technically nothing was wrong loku relay huma.
Yeah.
The confidence died.
Yes.
That was the only problem.
That momentum.
So Brahmin leshin taksa ngofu ne. Ikuka game le nga lose ka knockout.
Yeah.
The boys played.
Yeah, they did play.
There's nothing to blame.
Yeah.
The boys played. Soccer is soccer.
Yes.
It went the way it went. So what I'll say is that we are grateful for the game.
We must be proud.
Yes, we are proud of the boys.
Yeah.
History was made with FIFA, most especially going to the 32.
Yes.
With those last minutes, we're expecting that we're going to go to the
That's
penalties.
okay.
It didn't go the way. It's okay, but I mean, it's fine. What I like to say, man of the match, in Bogas.
TLP, yeah.
The reason why I'm saying that, the boy understands what he's doing. He's very confident. I don't see him playing maybe for another year at Chicago. The boy.
Nottingham Forest. No, Norwich. Nottingham. Oh, Nottingham Forest.
Yeah. So we are saying all the best to the boy Mbogazi. You are making us proud.
Sure.
You are putting us there in the map. Keep doing it. Nivulile kuntakoma lokusungula interview. Brahmi Nata.
Yeah, he can go.
Sure.
Thank you, Wanamani. Thank you, Wanamani. Rob, thank you for patience. Sure.